In this video, I'll show you how to watch TikToks on your Roku TV screen with the volume audio coming out of your TV speakers from TikTok. So to do so, obviously, there's no TikTok apps here. And even if you're trying to download it, it doesn't even exist really. So what you need to do is to connect your iPhone, iPad to your Roku TV and use the app from your phone, but cast on the screen of your Roku. So what you need to do is very easy. First of all, press the home button here. In this menu, you need to go down in settings, press OK. Then you need to go all the way down where you see system. Then go down where you see system update, press OK. Make sure that your TV is up to date. If not, this won't work. In my case, I don't think there's nothing to be installed. You just have to wait a few seconds so the TV checks online if there's an update. Okay, so in my case, there was no update. I'll press OK. Go back on the home screen. And now we can connect both of these. So go back in settings, press OK. Go where you see Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, press OK. We're now in the AirPlay app of the Roku. Make sure that this is turned on. Over here, just press OK to turn it on and off. And then requires code. You can leave it at first time only because every time you connect your phone, it will require a code. But if you don't want to be annoyed by this every time, you will only need to enter this passcode the first time you connect both of these. Next step, take your iPhone, drag from the top right corner like this. You see there is an icon here, 2 rectangles. Press on this one. And the Roku stick or Roku TV will appear in the list below. Tap on it. Perfect. Now all you have to do is to open the TikTok app on the iPhone. Here we go. I just opened the app and now I can simply browse my TikToks. Obviously I have turned off the volume of the TV, but usually you'll hear whatever audio that you have on your iPhone. So this is how you watch TikToks on your Roku TV. If you found this useful, please leave a like. Comment down below if you have other tricks or if this worked, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.